Hello?
Hello, kumusta?
Hello, hi. Magandang umaga, gabi, hapon, tanghali, I don't know. Are you in the Philippines?
No po.
I know. All right.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Good morning po. What's your name?
My name is Hope.
I'll call you Hope. All right.
Yes.
Ilan taon na si Hope?
36
36. Calling from where?
from Hawaii.
Hawaii. Oh.
Yes.
Nakapunta ka na ba dun sa dun sa pinagshootingan nung ano yun?
Sa
Yung
ano ba yan?
51st dates?
Ranch, Koaloa Ranch.
Oo.
I think it's the one. Yes, been there na po.
Talaga? Yung pinagshootingan ni
Parang,
ni Drew Barrymore tsaka ni Adam Sandler.
yes.
Maganda talaga yun sa pelikula lang.
Alam mo, parang sa Pilipinas lang talaga siya. Pero maganda.
So,
Lahat ng tourist.
so pangit pala, no?
Yun.
Kasi lately, ang daming dito, diking sira dahil sa flood control na yan eh. Medyo pangit yung iba.
Okay naman. Okay naman siya.
So, hindi parang Pilipinas. Pero yung mga tao dyan, di ba, kamukha natin? Yung iba?
Yeah, okay naman. Actually, alam mo, Papa Jack, sobrang daming dito, Ilocano.
Yes, I know. Kasi may nagsabi na sa akin, tsaka ang dami kong mga classmate nung elementary ang naandyan. Ilocana ka ba?
Ay, hindi po. Taga Manila. Cavite.
Ang dami daw Ilocano dyan.
Super dami. Alam mo, nakakatawa kasi pag nag-work ako, ang tanong sa akin, are you Ilocano or Filipino? I'm like, ha? Sabi ko, Filipino po. Ang Ilocano ba hindi Filipino? Di ba Filipino din? But then, that's how they ask. So,
Talaga?
kasi ang daming Ilocano dito. Oo, matutuwa ka. Pero they don't really understand yung Tagalog. So, ganun pala pag...
So, Ilocano and English
Ilocano.
talaga sila?
Hindi, Ilocano lang talaga. Minsan, hindi naman siya pero they're having a hard time to understand English din. Kaya,
Sa bayan namin,
ako.
a lot of people flew to Hawaii and Spain sa amin.
Oh, I see.
Hawaii and Spain.
Naman ko kasi nung yung president before, dito siya, di ba, na-exile. So,
Yeah, the senior.
they stayed here for a long time, but yeah.
Oh, maybe. No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay naman, pero super init. Mainit din, like sa Manila, sa Pilipinas.
Okay. Anyways, gano'n ka nakatagal dyan sa Hawaii?
2017. Actually, I'm from California. Petition ako by my parents.
So you are from California?
Yes.
I mean,
2008, ako
okay.
nasa California. And then 2017, I moved here.
Okay, 9 years ka sa California.
Yes, 9 years sa California and here.
Why'd you move to Hawaii? Ginawag ka ng pag-ibig?
Tinawag ako, yeah. May business kasi dito.
Okay.
Siyempre. Pag love na yung tumawag sa'yo, so you just, follow your heart.
So, are you married now?
Just last year.
Okay.
Yeah. Just last year.
So, why are we talking tonight?
Kasi may
By the way, how long have you known me?
You know what? I can't remember when I was young, but then September lang ako nag-Facebook ako. Sabi ko parang natutuwa ako kasi nga yung schedule ng work ko sobrang busy. Sabi ko parang mas okay yata na minsan you're really tired from work kasi I work 7 days a week, 6 days. It's a business kasi. So, ang hirap pala pag may sarili kang business.
Yeah.
Wala ka ng oras. So, minsan parang like you really need parang a resort para magkaroon ka ng time for yourself na makalimutan yung ibang bagay. So, yeah, and thank you for that. So, it's been 2 months I've been watching you.
Oh, thank you.
and listening to you.
Well, thank
So,
you.
it
If you
helps me a lot.
appreciate the
Yeah.
possible advice I can give you. But anyways,
Mm-mm.
what do you want to ask me?
Kasi may bumabalik sa buhay namin ng daughter ko.
Mm.
And I think alam ko naman yung gagawin pero hindi ko alam kung paano siya, kung anong unahin ko. Ito ba, yun ba?
Wait lang, give me context. You are now
Kasi,
married.
yes. Actually, we're talking about my ex.
Oh, so may anak ka dun sa ex mo.
Yes po.
Okay, so nung nagpakasal ka sa husband mo ngayon, you are the single mom.
Yes.
Ilang taon na yung anak mo ngayon?
Actually, she just turned 18.
8, malaki na, no?
Yes.
So, kumbaga parang no, parang maga ka nag-anak.
Oo, Papa Jack. Maaga.
Parang 18 ka yata nun.
I was pregnant when I was 17.
17,
and then I gave
nanganak
birth
ka
when
ng
I was
18. Okay.
Ang hirap. So, super hirap.
Asan na yung anak mo? Daughter or son?
Daughter, she's here with me.
Okay. So you got married last year. How is
I got
your
married
daughter
last
and
year.
your husband?
Oh my God, Papa Jack. The best. The
Okay.
best
Good.
feeling ever. They had a good relationship.
That's nice. That's really nice.
Na, yeah,
Mhm.
sobra.
Mhm.
And sobrang thankful ako dito sa husband ko. Kasi
Pinoy?
talagang minahal niya actually. Yes, Filipino.
Ilocano?
Ay, hindi po.
Hindi.
Taga Makati.
Sabi mo kasi ang dami Ilocano dyan. Okay.
Oo, pero pareho kami nag-move dito.
Okay. Okay, tell me about the ex. Bakit mo problema ito ngayon?
Kasi when I was pregnant when I was 17, I gave birth 18. Petition ako and then na-meet ko to 2015.
Mhm.
So nung naiwan muna yung baby ko dyan. And then 2008 ako umalis ng Pilipinas. Bumalik ako nung first birthday niya, ng daughter ko. And then bumalik ako 2012 na.
Okay.
So, niyaya niya akong magpakasal. Pero ano na kami nun, parang malabo na. So, syempre umasa pa rin ako bukod sa may anak kami. I love the guy, diba? Pero ang hirap pag long distance relationship. Tapos, syempre ako, nag-double job ako noon. Pinapadalahan ko ng, ako yung nag-support sa daughter ko.
Okay.
Plus, nag-aalaga sa kanya yung lola ko and then my uncle. Hindi siya, actually, nasa Manila siya, yung the dad, and then yung daughter ko, nasa Cavite. Hindi niya binibisita. I think once a month lang. So, natagalit yung family ko. Syempre, di ba? Wala na nga yung mom and then yung dad hindi pa bumibisita.
Okay.
Anong reason? I don't know.
Wait.
Sabi niya busy
Wait,
daw siya.
hold on. This was from the past already, tama?
Yes.
Okay, I wanna know. Sabi mo kasi may nagbabalik. Tell me about that.
Oo, Papa Jack. Nag-message siya last February sa akin.
Mhm.
Kumusta daw? Kumusta yung daughter ko? Hindi ko siya nire-replyan. Hanggang sa nalaman ko, yung sister niya nag-message dito sa daughter ko na I don't know kung pinipilit, but I think the dad wants to talk to my daughter. So, pinadaan niya dun sa sister niya.
Mhm.
Parang itry lang na makipag-communicate. So, nakipag-communicate yung daughter ko. Hi, hello. Sabi nung dad is, I miss you. Walang araw na hindi kita iniisip. Papa Jack, since 4 years old nung nakuha ko yung daughter ko, never siyang nag-happy birthday, Merry Christmas, Happy
Wala
New
silang
Year,
ano,
Happy
wala
Valentine's,
silang
wala.
relationship ng kanyang anak.
Wala, Papa Jack. So, parang alam mo yung for the past,
Sino sinasabihan niya ng na palagi tang iniisip yung bata?
oo, parang sabi, alam mo yung sagot ng daughter ko? How can you say that?
Mhm.
Parang you never even reach out. You never call me.
Mhm.
Di ba? So, parang paano siya magkakaroon ng emotion dun sa biological father niya na
Mhm.
hindi naman sila nag-uusap, di ba? So, ang sagot nitong nasa Manila, sabi niya, let's forget everything. Let's move on. So, parang, wait, yung bata gusto malaman what happened, di ba? So, parang tinakasan niya lahat ng tanong. Gusto niya okay lahat. Na yun, parang yun na yung chance mo na mag-share what happened. Actually, nagpadala nga ng picture, ng family picture yung nandyan sa Pilipinas dito sa daughter ko.
Mhm.
May family na kasi. Tapos, sabi pa niya, hiwalay na daw sila nung kinakasama niya or asawa niya. I don't know.
Alam ba nung ex mo na married ka na?
Yes. Alam mo, Papa Jack, sabi niya sa akin, sa message ha, sabi niya, ano yan, hindi siya humingi ng sorry eh. Parang sinasabi niya kalimutan na natin lahat. Parang sa akin naman, parang paano kita mapapatawad kung hindi ka naman humingi ng tawad.
I have a question for you, Hope.
Yes.
Is
Go
it
ahead.
still important to you to forgive him?
Hindi nga, Papa Jack eh. Parang nakamove on ako. Parang nabisi ko yung sarili ko.
No.
Nakalimutan ko na lang lahat.
Because you are reacting to what he said, nakalimutan na ang lahat. So I want to ask you, is it still important to you to forgive him? I know that it should be okay to
Hindi
forgive.
na.
No, tinatanong kita, is it still important to you?
Hindi na importante.
Okay. So, kumbaga apathetic ka na sa part na yon.
Oo, Papa Jack. Parang I get over it for a long time na parang...
Kumbaga, it doesn't matter to you whether you forgive him or not. He's just really not part of your universe, period.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Then why does it bother you then?
Yung daughter ko kasi.
Your daughter is
iniisip
18 years
ko
old.
siya.
She can
Oo
very
nga
well
eh,
handle
pero-
herself.
Yeah, pero concern ako. Nagsasabi siya sa akin, what do I do? Ano mga anuhin ko? I-reply
ganito,
ko.
Aina.
Nag-message siya ng ganito.
One day, inevitably, your daughter and her father will have to deal with things between the two of them. And you will be alien to that part. You cannot keep your daughter away from her father. As much as you hate the father, they may try or they may not try to build a relationship. But, magtatay pa rin sila kahit anong gawin mo eh. Now,
Oo.
call ng anak mo whether she will forgive the father or hindi. Call niya yon. But let your daughter decide.
Yeah, yun naman.
She's now a woman of
Papa Jack ang
herself.
sabi namin sa kanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, even yung daddy niya na kinikilala right now, ang sabi sa kanya, ganun nga.
Mhm.
Sabi namin sa kanya, kung saan ka masaya, kung gusto mo, we support you. Pero we're still here to give you advice, opinion. Pwede kang lumapit sa amin.
Okay.
Sobrang...
Ano ang ng daughter mo? Ano ang kanyang position? I mean, hate ba niya yung father niya or
Right now,
yeah.
I would say yes.
Okay. Why? Bakit niya hate yung father niya?
Kasi wala silang communication. Tapos,
I mean, you have nothing to
inamin
do
ng
with how
guy.
she feels towards her father, right?
Inamin ng guy na may iba siyang family, may third party
Hindi
involved.
yun ang point ko.
kaya
You have
nagkahiwalay.
nothing to do dun sa pag-hate ng daughter mo sa father niya. Kasi
I know.
there could be two things eh. Pwedeng wala siyang pakialam or kinamumuhian niya. So, alin sa dalawa?
I think right now, wala siyang pakialam. Kasi yung message niya na sinend sa akin ng daughter ko, sabi niya, hindi ako galit sa'yo. Well, actually, wala nga akong nararamdaman eh. Parang, kung di kita makita, I'm okay. Kasi masaya yung buhay niya daw ngayon. That's what she said. That's what she told him.
Okay. I get you. What do you want to ask me?
And I think nasagot mo na naman, Papa Jack.
Anong part?
Parang nalilito lang ako. Like, sabi ko nga pag nagme-message yung guy na nasa Manila, hindi talaga ako sumasagot. Pero parang dapat ba nasagutin ko? We talk about our daughter. Na alam ko naman na naka-move on na ako. Like sabi mo kanina, yung daughter ko, she's 18 years
Can I
old.
ask you a
Parang
very
she's in the
delicate
third.
question? Can I ask you something?
Go ahead.
Very delicate.
Hmm.
I want to hold back asking you this question, but let me ask you anyway. Ready?
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Number one, I don't believe that you still have any emotions left for that guy. I'll start there. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Okay. But why are you curious?
Ah,
Bakit curious ka?
concern ako dun sa daughter ko.
No. Not for your daughter, for yourself.
Alam niyo, Papa Jack, feeling ko kasi hindi ko nailabas yung galit ko sa kanya
Oh, there you go.
na naloko ako.
Okay, there you go.
Yun.
Okay, naintindihan ko na. I get it.
Pero I don't wanna talk to him.
Yeah.
Talaga.
But you want him to see how good your life is now.
Hindi na din. Hindi importante sa akin. Actually, sinabi nga niya sa akin, patawarin mo ko. Alam ko naman may asawa ka na, maganda na buhay mo. So, let's just talk about our daughter. Ganun yung sabi niya.
No. But I hope I'm wrong. But I feel like you are curious to how he's going. Paano ba? How do you put this now? Parang pakiramdam ko curious ka sa kung paano siya gagawa ng paraan o magmamakaawa para maging bahagi sa buhay ng anak mo. It's as if you wanna witness that process.
Hindi din. Hindi din, Papa Jack.
Because I feel like half of the questions you're asking me now is not really for your daughter, it's for yourself.
Siguro para maka-let go din siguro ako sa
Aha.
Di ba? Kasi
Let go of what?
sobra yung nagawa niya talaga.
Yeah, but why do you carry that around? You are married now. It's been 18 years ago.
Yun na nga eh. Kasi hindi ko yata siya na ilabas, na i-let go. Kasi nga for the past 14 years, wala akong communication. Wala. And I don't think I need it.
Kasi kanina,
Never.
the first thing that you said when you wanted to tell me about the story was,
Mhm.
may nagbabalik po sa buhay naming mag-ina. So you have included yourself. So parang nagtaka ako. Do you wonder how he is today?
Ano po yan? I'm sorry.
Do you wonder how he is today?
No.
Are you sure?
Wala akong pakialam.
Okay.
Yes, Papa Jack. Sobrang
Good.
masaya ako kung anong meron ako right now. Sobra.
So ano ito? This is a case of parang kumbaga naipong ngit-ngit that maybe
oo.
it has to be
Sa
let
totoo
out.
lang.
It has to be let out. Parang
Yun din
ganun.
yung iniisip ko. Pero I really don't wanna talk to him. Ayoko magkaroon ng connection sa kanya.
Okay.
Kaya binablock ko siya every time na nagme-message siya sa akin.
Okay.
Di ba? Parang, kasi Papa Jack, nung nag-iya siya magpakasal sa akin, 2012, oh my God, meron na pala siyang 1-month-old baby.
Oh.
And nalaman ko yun to 2014, nang nag-aalaga nung anak niya, yung family niya. I even asked the family, they said, wala kaming karapatan para sabihin sa'yo. Siya na
So
lang
tama
tanungin.
ako. Hope.
Papa Jack,
Tama ako sa part na sinabi ko kanina na
nagngingit-ngit ako.
no, not that part. Well, if you said that, ikaw naman yan, sige. So tama ako sa part that You want him to witness that despite of what is done to you, you are now enjoying a life that he can never provide for you.
Mm, no, hindi din.
So what is it? Why are you curious?
Ako, ang concern ko talaga yung daughter ko.
So why don't you just let your daughter deal with it then?
Oo, yun na nga, Papa Jack. So, well, thank you for saying that.
Okay. I have some intrusive thoughts, but you'd rather not hear it. I guess.
Baka, pwede naman, Papa Jack. Willing naman ako makinig.
Well, no. Kaya inumpisahan ko to by saying, I don't believe you've got anything left for him. Emotionally naman. Naniniwala ako doon. But I think it piqued your curiosity, no? How is he doing now? Paano ba to? Para bang gusto mong mapapakita sa kanya na, ayan, parang gano'n na.
Parang gusto kong,
Parang buti.
ayoko siyang kausapin pero gusto kong sabihin lahat parang sama ng loob ko ba from the past.
So it matters to you to tell him.
Nagpo-push and pull ako eh. Gusto kong sabihin pero ayoko. Parang, does it matter na sabihin ko sa'yo? Parang wala na eh. Tapos na eh. Masaya ako right now.
Okay, now it's clear to me. You have not let go of the anger.
Yun yata yun, Papa Jack. Never ko siyang, first time ko tong first time sa'yo ko lang nasabi. Napag-usapan.
Galit ka pa rin. Hindi mo siya mahal, of course, no?
No.
Happy ka naman eh. Naniniwala ako na ramdam ko naman.
Sobrang happy ako, Papa Jack.
Pero galit ka pa rin. You go back to all the nights you were crying. It almost felt like it's the end of the world because he cheated on you. All the dreams you've built with him, almost everything was a lie. You were so alone, and during those days, you couldn't have imagined that you are going to have a life that you have now. Tama?
Yes.
Well, let it go. There's no point talking to him. Your lifetime until your dying breath will no longer include him.
Yes.
Yeah. Stop wondering how he is doing now. Stop wondering how unfortunate he became after cheating on you, after doing what he's done to you, after, di ba, dumping you, cheating on you. Stop wondering. You know, when he reached out to you, he must be suffering from karma. I think so. Ba't ka umiiyak? Ha? Let go of the pain. Wala na magagawa yan sa'yo. You okay?
Yes.
Ba't ka umiyak?
Sa mga sinabi mo.
Naalala mo yung pain na parang kahapon lang na.
Mhm. Sobra.
You still hate the guy.
I do.
Eh?
Yes.
Do you want to hear something funny from me?
Go ahead.
Nagpapasalamat ka sa kanya.
Mm.
Alam mo kung bakit? It was
Kasi
painful.
hindi na siya yung...
It shattered you into a million pieces when it happened, but you wouldn't have found the love of your life
Mhm.
if he's been a little bit better during that time. The smallest deviation that he could have done things otherwise, you wouldn't have found the love of your life. Namamali.
Tama po.
He did everything right but so wrong. And you landed to where you're at right now. I always say this now. When we are going through pain, we try to find all the answers to all the painful questions we have. And I always say, don't. It will just make sense someday. And when you married this guy that's your husband now, it made sense to you kung bakit ka nasaktan ng sobra noon. Tama, mali?
Tama.
Yeah.
I'm very thankful.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Diba? His indecisions and immaturities and cheating all led to where you are right now. Right?
Yes.
Well, your daughter is 18 years old.
Yes.
He can very well deal with her father. If they want to have a relationship, if they want to, be in communication, do not be in the way. Let them.
Okay.
Magtatay naman sila.
Yun din yung sabi sa akin ng husband ko.
Yeah. Your husband is a good
He's
man.
still the dad.
Yeah.
He's still the dad. So let them, have
Mhm.
kung ano yung dapat para sa kanila.
Ibig sabihin, mabuting tatay yung mabuting tao yung
Sobra.
asawa. Yeah.
Sobra.
Mhm. Good. You found a good guy. Keep it that way. Ganda mo, haba ng hair ha. Haba ng hair ha.
Papa Jack, dugot pawis yan. Siya lang yung naging boyfriend ko dito.
Oh, well. I'm glad to have talked to you.
Oh, thank you. Pasensya na. Sobrang
It's okay.
parang lagi na lang akong may dahilan.
Yeah.
But I'm glad we talked.
Ilang araw ko na
Thank you.
nagdadahilan sa akin. Papa-schedule. Pag ni-reply na, ayaw mag-reply.
Busy sa shop, Papa Jack. Pasensya ka na. But then I'm glad, finally.
Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Say hi to
Thank
all
you
the
so
Ilocanos there. Regards to your
much.
husband.
Okay, I will. Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You're welcome. Bye.